just outside Pier 1 in Montego Bay, Jamaica. And we're going to check out the pop-up marketplace taking place right here in Pier 1. They said they're going to have handmade accessories, artisanal products, special service providers and others right here on showcase. We're going to check it out right here. Let's go. So that was the pop-up marketplace here just outside Pier 1 in Montego Bay. Alright, we're gonna head straight into the heart of the city, see what's going on. Dream Weekend is currently going on. Let me show you the flyer or the poster. 5 days, 8 events here in Montego Bay, Jamaica. Tommy Lee, Shanine Muir, all the top performers will be on show. Alright, so let's head over to Harbor City, see what's going on over there. Harbor City is straight in front of us. Again, let me know who's watching this vlog and where you're watching from. We're showing you Jamaica, one location at a time, one event at a time, one infrastructure development at a time. Harbor City is one of the top shopping malls, the more modern shopping malls here in the city. Let's see what the parking lot right here in this open space looks like. They're directing us to go straight towards roof parking. I'll show you what roof parking is like here. Here's a Crocs store. You have other stores like BBQ, etc. All right, let's go. Here's a lovely drive up into the rooftop parking here in Harbor City. Alright, so they directed us to turn right. And this is the area for parking. Trust me, gives Montego Bay a nice modern look, you know? I love it. And guess what? There's another level for parking as well. They're directing, can go straight up. Additional parking is my first time going up on this ramp here. Wow. Another level of parking here in Harbor City. Beautiful. Alright, so this is us exiting the second level for the rooftop parking. I'm lost, I'm trying to figure out. Oh, here is the exit. Found it. Alright, this is the exit. It says no overnight parking allowed here. So we're going to go down this first set of ramp here, and we're looking straight over, yeah, on a section of Harbor Street there, at the bridge. Going right down, my. So this is how we exit. I had no idea there were 2 levels of parking here. Alright, let's make our exit now. Going right down this ramp, and over on your right you'll see a section of Harmony Beach Park. That's what it looks like. That's a new section there that they built the other day. Lovely, man. We love this for Montego Bay. Yeah, it's a bit narrow, but once you take your time, everything should be okay. As we make our exit from Harbor City. How's the weather conditions in your area? I mean, it's nice and sunny, perfect for the Dream Weekend series of parties being held here in Montego Bay. There's another parking lot for Harbor City on the right. You have some electric car chargers over there. And there's a lovely bus stop right here on the left. Look at it. Beautiful. Probably the best bus stop in Montego Bay in Western Jamaica. Right here. They have decorated some sections of Harbor City with the Jamaican colors. So everybody's anticipating the emancipation holidays coming up. Alright, we're going straight across the Howard Cook Boulevard. And we're going onto Harbor Street. We're gonna make the left turn. Montego Bay nice again, man. Yeah, man. Body is in the emancipation celebration spirit right now. Alright, so this is Harbor Street. Harbor Street, this is the Bay West Shopping Center is on the left. All of this line of traffic here is for persons who want to go to the Bay West Shopping Center parking lot on the left. Island Grill Restaurant is on the right. Embassy Place on the right as well. KFC is there on the left. They closed this entrance here on the left as well. You have to go around the other side to enter KFC. Montego Bay Road is on the right. What's happening here? Let's switch some lanes here. There's a parking facility on the right. So now you know where the different parking spots are. So you don't, you know, you don't get in problems with parking in and around the city. We're going on to Montego Bay's hip strip. Alright, so it's straight ahead for the hip strip. Alright, we have the green light, but look at all this traffic here. Whoa, whoa, whoa. We can't get across the road onto the hip strip. These are the reality that we face here in Montego Bay. My. Alright, we have to break it, cut around the traffic like this, and do a big swing to the left to get onto the hip strip to end up in more traffic. I'm telling you. So this will carry us further along on the hip strip. You'll get to see the different beaches, the different popular places like Margaritaville, Coral Cliff, Pelicans, all those places on the hip strip. Again, school is out for summer holidays. See, seems like some of the schoolers, they're selling guineas. Yes, that's their holiday thing to do. They sell guineas, man. But we're glad the fruits are coming back in season. Hip strip, man. So dream weekend. We see Aqueduct, we see Tropical Bliss. Those are some of the venues here in Montego Bay. Big buzz in Montego Bay, and that is causing some of this traffic that we're seeing here. A lot of visitors have been flying in. I mean, yesterday they were collecting their packages and armbands over by Pier 1. Yesterday there was a lot of traffic on our roads. This is what it looks like now. 4th Street is on the right. If we made the next right turn, that would have carried us to 4th Street. On the left is the Harmony, still a section of the Harmony Beach Park. Slowly but surely, we're making our way. Walter Fletcher Beach is on the left. Look at that long line going into the city of, well, the heart of the city of Montego Bay. Alright, so on the left is the beach. That's the Old Hospital Beach. And the Old Hospital Park is right here on the left as well. Dream weekend. You have to have money to go to those places though. Yeah man, you have to have money. And once here in Jamaica, my subscribers were telling me it's about $500 for a flight into Montego Bay. And then you have to rent vehicle. You're looking at $80 US per day for rent a vehicle. Food, accommodation, yeah man, for the week. It's an expensive outing. This is what it looks like on the hip strip. Pelicans is on the right. Soon past Margaritaville and Coral Cliff. I always love this view with the bridge running across the road there. Margaritaville is on the left and Coral Cliff is on the right. 2727 Lounge is on the left here. Habanos is also on the left. Beautiful. Yeah man, the spirit nice in Montego Bay. I know some of the shop operators will be happy for the Dream Weekend set of parties. The police have their hands busy. Casablanca on the left. Somebody was asking me about Casablanca. Yes, it's still here. Police are here on the left. Always on the hip strip. Doctor's Cave Beach is on the left. So is Starbucks. So a lot of the party goers make their way to the beach during the days or in the morning, go home back, relax for the party in the evenings. That's what you call full enjoyment. Alright, they haven't started with the Usain Bolt restaurant, which is on the left. They haven't started reconstructing it. Remember, it was damaged by fire. It's on the left. They are putting up a new sculpture on the property though. We're still on the Jimmy Cliff Boulevard, Montego Bay's hip strip. Supermarkets and Cambios are on the right. Traffic turn up, man. Dream Weekend traffic. So we are now on Kent Avenue, still a part of the hip strip. Going to be passing this free beach here called Sunset Beach. They're constructing the new AC Hotel by Marriott on the left here. So Sandals is no longer here. Sunset Beach is on my left. As you can see, not much persons are at the beach right now because it's very hot, but it's such a beautiful day, man. Plane as the jets are coming in to the Sangster International Airport that is behind me. Beautiful day on the beach here. This is Sunset Beach. You can just walk out. Guys, remember to subscribe to the channel. So they are doing the construction over there for the new AC hotel. Brand new AC hotel by Marriott coming soon to Montego Bay. Tractors over there doing some more work. Let's continue now. We're going to Sangster International Airport. Alright, let's go. So when next are you gonna make the trip into the city? Let me know when you're coming to Jamaica again. A lot of persons say December. I know earlier a lot of persons said they were coming for Dream Weekends. I know some of my subscribers are currently in Montego Bay. Let me know if you're currently in Montego Bay. We want to grow this movement, so once you're hearing my voice, just tap that subscribe button. Let's go now on to Godfrey Dwyer Boulevard. Toby's Resort is on the left. We're going straight to Sangster International Airport, right outside where they're building the new entrance for the airport. They haven't finished it in time for Dream Weekend, but I know they'll be finishing it for Christmas. This is what it looks like. You can just imagine, I mean, numerous flights coming into Montego Bay. The roads can hardly manage the volume of traffic. So Hotel Gloriana is on the left. Delisa Drive is on the right. This road carries us straight to the Sangster Airport. I think one of the parties will be held at Pier 1 as well. One of the series of parties. Dream Weekend. Alright, so right here is where they're building the new entrance. It has already been paved. Yes. Already been paved. Brand new road. Sidewalk going in. Wow, wow, wow. Lovely. It's just for the stoplights to be in operation now. We're gonna keep left into the airport. Alright, we're gonna turn left for departures, salidas. I love Montego Bay. Big up to the airport workers, Longport workers, Mobile Club. Big up, man. Let's see if we can see a section of the new road that they've built. So all of this is a fresh layer of asphalt, smooth. My is the smoothest road I ever driven on. So before we go to the departure section, let's look at this new entrance right here on the left. This is what it looks like. Welcome to the new entrance for the Sangster International Airport. Jamaica is indeed rising, man. This is a big deal for Montego Bay, for the airport. Alright, let's check out the departure area now, see what's going on there. Nice fresh layer of asphalt. Good. Yeah, man, by next month everything finish up for the airport here. Nice Jamaica flag waving in the sky here. We're gonna make the left turn. That will carry us straight to the departure section. The advertising, let's rave for charity, August 16, Tropical Bliss Beach, party to be held there. Alright, so this is the departure area. Police are here. Whole heap of work going on here, man. Alright, persons going to catch their flights. They look like they're going to extend the departure area, so they're doing work on the steel structure here. Chinese right here doing the work. Alright, let's go and check out the arrival section. The airport should be busy right now. Look at it here, busy time at arrivals. Police are here. Nice. Alright, so that was arrival for the airport. Lovely. I love how they decorate, they wrap the palm trees in the Jamaican colors for the Emancipation Independence holidays. Thank you so much for tuning in. This is Island Max. This is what Montego Bay looks like during the Dream Weekend series of parties. Continue to subscribe to the channel, continue to like our videos, and I'll catch you in the next one. One love Jamaica, one love Montego Bay. I'll see you very soon. Tap on the video, seeing on your screen. Blessings.